Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna do a vlog. Today, we're going to Walmart at first. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell next to it so you get notified every time I post a video. And my name is Tyler, so stay tuned. Hey guys, we're in Walmart. Okay, we're gonna to the vitamin section, so we don't know where's that, so we gotta find some. I don't come to that often. Yes.
Oh, hey.
Hey, we found the vitamin. Guys, since I said we're trying to find, we ran right into it, so I got the vitamins. Look at all this Halloween stuff. Hold on, let me see. Okay. I guess I can't turn the camera around. Oh my gosh, look. Look. Hopefully you can see. Oh my gosh.
It's hard to breathe.
Yeah, that's why I don't do masks. Oh my, hey, look. Some DIY. Oh, I'm getting too excited to have Halloween makeup, and I was thinking do like a Halloween tutorial on some makeup thing.
Are you
Look,
gonna be able to do it?
I don't know. I'm gonna try to do like a clown look, see,
Oh, really?
or something. Wait. Oh my gosh. Messing that.
Ty, we need to come here and get this, and we could just be paint.
Look. No. Look. Yeah.
I tried doing these before, but I think they like.
Look,
I
ain't that awesome? That'd be a good outfit. You like? Oh, that's
I
hard.
have these.
Yeah.
Have these. Those. Look, they're right there.
Too bad we didn't have good lighting everywhere, because I like this lighting. Wow. Okay, we'll be. Why?
Touch that.
No, I am not touching that glue. What is wrong with that? Look, guys, you guys probably want to see. Oops. I dropped it.
Look, we need this liquid weight.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys, we just left Walmart. You want to say anything? Can you see? I can't. This is some bad lighting. I don't know if it's good or not. So we're finding the car now. Look, oh, Walmart. Well,
I lied.
oh, we didn't find it, people. Okay, you want to go to the Rose Garden?
Sure.
Alright, I guess first we're going to go through here and get a soda. Oh, I found it.
I told you I found it.
Then, after we do that, then we're going to go to the Rose Garden. Right, see you then. Okay, guys, we're still going to the Rose Garden. We just stopped off at Heidi's to get the Fruit Loop donuts. So, we're gonna tell you what it tastes like. Oh my gosh, someone's coming. Look, you want to say anything? Okay,
nope.
Get them out. Act back.
Oh, I gotta get them out?
Yeah.
They're cold.
That's false advertisement. Look.
And they smell good.
Hold on, I gotta pick. Oh my god. Okay, guys, 1 minute.
What's up?
I don't.
Oh, they're so pretty. Minute time.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
It smells like it. Look. Hold on.
I'm about to take a picture of these. Oh, you got me sniffing them.
The sniff test. Look, see?
Oh. Someone called me.
Mikey. Oh my gosh, it tastes like the blue Fruit Loop. Okay, the lighting is better.
I'm here to park behind a UPS.
What's your opinion on it?
I haven't. I'm taking a picture first.
Can you even see? I'm going to talk. See, that's the blue one. See what it looks like. It's nice. It's not dried out or anything. Yellow.
Purple.
Pink. Green. I think I might already show you the green one. And purple. I hope the purple one don't taste like grape because I don't like grape.
No, it's great. Yes. I'm scared to taste it.
If you have a Hardee's near you, go try the Fruit Loop donut. Okay, what's your opinion? Oh.
They taste just like
Hold on.
Fruit Loops.
Okay, guys, I had to zoom out. This is delicious. Okay, that's all I wanted to tell you. I'll see you when we get to the rose garden. It's hot out, but we're gonna go over so I can show you the roses. Okay, it's on.
They're all the same.
Look at this stuff, guys. Wait.
I love Halloween.
Wow. That's pretty awesome. Do you want to say anything?
Hi.
I like this sign.
Beware. I like spooky.
This is like a awesome spooky. Oh my god. How?
Hi. You are.
What? What? We should do a DIY. I don't know. I don't even know how to do it. Oh, vampire teeth. Oh, you don't see that. Awesome. I like this. Hi. Oh, yes. I like this. Yes, I like this. This is awesome. No, I like this.
Yes. Boo boo.
This is awesome. Put some wine up in here.
Really, Tom?
Go. What's in my case? Soda. Selena.
You gotta break it.
It's people working.
No, I heard you.
Okay. Oh, I just now started. Okay, guys. We're in Dollar Tree. Like I said, we were gonna go to the Rose Garden, but it's too hot. Look what I found. Oh my gosh, I love this show. Can you not? What? I need a... How you turn this around? Okay.
You can pause and pause. Okay.
Okay. Well, I guess we can't turn this around.
You can stop it and start it again.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop this and start this again. Okay, guys. Today was a good day, and this is the last one. Let me know if you like videos like this in the comments below. If you're new, subscribe to my channel below and like the video, share with your friends, and make sure you hit that bell for notifications. And if you're seeing this in the morning, have a good morning, have a good evening, and a good night, and share the video. Bye. Follow your dreams.